Hi ladies, these are your instructions for how to do your Delta Math quiz. So first of all, the format. You have about 10 questions and they're each on a different topic. You have 2 attempts for each problem. If you don't get the first problem right, you'll get a second problem on the same topic and you have 2 attempts for that. And if you don't get that one right, there's a third problem and that has 2 attempts. If you don't get any of those 3 correct, it'll just move on to the next topic. Second, what you're allowed to use. You're allowed to use your own brain and any notes that you've taken thus far. You may not consult another human person or seek help online. The third thing is I'm interested in how long this quiz is taking you. And I'm not going to have a time limit, so you don't have to stop after 15 minutes or 20 minutes, but I would like to know how long this quiz takes you. So right now, could you please write down the time it is? And at the end, I'll have you write down the time again and send me a message on email or portal for how long it took. And finally, the last thing to do is to say a prayer before you begin, because you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. God loves you, I love you, and I'm praying for you, and I'm already proud of you. God bless you.